The remnants of Florence are working in our direction tomorrow. So today is quiet, but then we have some heavy rain on the way. And for that reason, we're actually under a flash flood watch that's in effect for tonight through tomorrow night across much of southern New England for localized flooding resulting from torrential downpours as the leftover moisture and energy from Florence moves through. Rain totals 1 to 3 inches widespread, although higher amounts 4, 5, 6 inches will be possible in localized communities here where some of the heaviest bands of rainfall set up. The remnants of moisture, of Florence's moisture, are still to the south right now. Areas of rain spreading through Ohio, down through West Virginia. Some downpours still impacting parts of the Carolinas where there's another tornado watch that's up in portions of eastern North Carolina this morning. All of this is going to work in our direction. Temperatures in the 60s right now, though, so it's a quiet start this morning. Although the dew point is in the 60s, so it's not oppressive humidity, but it is a little bit muggy out there. And we also have some fog yet again this morning. It's not as thick or as widespread as it's been the past couple of mornings. Right now, 1.5 mile visibility at Logan, 3/4 of a mile in Keenan. It is dense fog from the Vineyard to Nantucket. This fog, I think, burns off by 9 o'clock this morning for most of us, and other than that, our satellite and radar is quiet. Sunshine, a few clouds mixed in, and if you've liked this warmer stretch, then you're going to like today again. 82 in Boston, 85 in Lawrence, 84 in Norwood this afternoon. Many of us topping out 80 to 85 degrees, upper 70s on Cape Cod today. Overnight tonight, that's when the areas of rain move in. There'll be light pockets at first after midnight, overnight lows in the 60s. In fact, let's time them out. Notice the clouds will thicken up this evening, and it's after midnight that we see some rain push into the Berkshires, central Massachusetts around 2, 3 a.m. Notice 5 a.m. early tomorrow morning, you're thinking, okay, it's not too bad, a little bit of light rain. But by mid to late morning, some downpours will be working in from west to east towards the tail end of the morning commute, and then it's going to pour through the afternoon. Heaviest band of rain should be set up somewhere from southern Maine through southern New Hampshire by lunchtime, and then we'll sink south and east during the afternoon tomorrow. So it will impact the kids coming home from school with some torrential downpours for the evening commute. Notice the deeper reds and purples in here. That indicates to me it's going to be absolutely pouring along with some embedded thunder. So some storms tomorrow, when they're kind of embedded in here, could become strong to severe in a couple of spots. Notice by 8 p.m. we're drying out north and west of Boston, rain ending around 8, give or take, in the city, and then 8 to 10 p.m. with a little bit of light shower activity lingering longest on Cape Cod. So it's kind of an all-day thing, in and out of it, but that heaviest band that works through the afternoon means a lot of rain's going to come down in a short period of time. So we'll watch the flood threat. Highs tomorrow in the 70s, but Wednesday, big change. Wind off the ocean, breezy, cooler, drier. 60s with late day sun breaking out. Thursday will be in the 60s as well, and then we turn a little bit milder again to end the week. Upper 70s on Friday. Could be a late day shower. That cools us off a bit as fall begins this weekend. We'll be in the low 70s on Saturday. Looks beautiful. Upper 60s with increasing clouds on Sunday.